2024 Yamaha TRACER 9 GT Plus brings all its tech features to America. Adaptive cruise control, a unified braking system, a new 7-inch TFT dash, and more all come standard on the flagship Sport Tourer. All about the engine. Let's talk about the engine first. The 2024 TRACER 9 GT Plus is powered by Yamaha's liquid-cooled, dual overhead cam, 890cc, cross-plane crankshaft triple, CP3, engine. Bore and stroke are 78.0 mm by 62.1 mm. It has a 6-speed gearbox, an assist and slipper clutch, and an up and down quickshifter. Suspension and brakes. Suspension consists of a 41 mm KYB inverted front fork and a KYB monoshock, both with electronic adjustability using KYB's Actomatic damper system. This semi-active suspension takes data from the IMU and uses it to adjust the suspension on the fly according to your present riding conditions. It provides 5.1 inches of suspension travel in front and 5.4 inches of suspension travel in the rear. The 2024 Yamaha TRACER 9 GT Plus utilizes Team Blue's new radar-linked unified brake system. The millimeter wave radar that's now an integral part of the TRACER 9 GT Plus, along with the 6-axis IMU, provide data to simultaneously adjust both front and rear brake bias and suspension qualities according to what the sensors on your bike are detecting at the time. If riders turn on the brake control (BC) feature, that's the only time that the system will provide braking assistance, according to Yamaha. The company is quick to state that it is not a collision avoidance system. It's also worth noting that turning on BC also activates cornering brake control, which automatically adjusts braking force to inhibit tire slippage when the machine is leaned over. What about the mechanical components of Yamaha's braking system on the 2024 TRACER 9 GT Plus? Up front, you get a pair of 298 mm hydraulic brake discs, and in the rear, you get a single 267 mm hydraulic brake disc. ABS come standard at both ends, but you probably expected that, given all the other tech that's present on this bike. Dimensions. Wheelbase on the 2024 Yamaha TRACER 9 GT Plus is 59.1 inches. Seat height adjusts between 32.3 inches and 32.9 inches natively on the bike. Rake is 25.0 degrees and trail is 4.3 inches. The fuel tank holds 5 gallons when it's full. Curb weight is 492 pounds. Additional features. The 2024 Yamaha TRACER 9 GT Plus comes with a 10-level adjustable windscreen, adjustable footpegs, 10-level heated grips, side case stays with built-in dampers, cornering lights, and a height-adjustable seat that goes between 32.3 and 32.9 inches. Please note that while Yamaha does offer low-seat accessories for some of its models, it does not currently offer a low-seat accessory for the 2024 TRACER 9 GT Plus. Colors, pricing, and availability. In the US, the 2024 Yamaha TRACER 9 GT Plus will come in just one two-tone color option, Storm Gray. It should roll into American dealerships in August 2023 at an MSRP starting at $16,499.